Hi everybody, well today I'm making a treat. I'm making actually cocoa waffles today. This is in honor of a play I did in 1976, The Magic Flute. I'm very colorful today because I really want to honor this special day. It was the first opera I've ever done, The Magic Flute. I'm making cocoa waffles. I'm adding in 2 cups of flour. It's very hard to find Hershey's. I don't know what's going on with that, folks. It's very upsetting to me because I used Hershey's my whole life, and all of a sudden we can't find Hershey's anyplace. It's very sad. I do have some in the house. It's very frustrating because I always use Hershey's. I swore by it for many years, you know. 1 cup of sugar. Come on already. Let's go. We don't want sugar all over the place. Come on. It's frustrating when you can't find something in a store and you had it your whole life. It's very upsetting. I don't know what's really going on with Hershey's. On that I'm not sure. Maybe a shortage. We don't even know. I'm adding in a cup of sugar. Half a cup of Hershey's cocoa. I was able to find some in the dollar shop. By miracle, I found it. Obviously, I was really happy that I found it. I need also. Why did I take the baking powder out? It's calling for soda. I'm sorry, folks. Oh, but when you can't find something you had your whole life, it's really upsetting because you know you're used to having that particular brand. My grandmother swore by it. 1 teaspoon of soda. Make sure it's enough. Yep, 1 teaspoon of soda. Here we go. Now, we're going to mix this together, move everything out of the way, and we'll go to the next step. My daughter has this thing. Make sure it's like a powder. Because I have to go to the next step in about a minute. Here we go. It's like a powder, see? Now, the next thing I have to add in is 1 egg. Perfect. Milk. I recommend with your use whole milk, you add in 1 and 1/2 cups of milk. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now we're going to put this over here, folks. I have to add in my oil or we won't have good muffins. I can tell you that. You want your muffins to be perfect when you make them, folks. You really do. Let's get this out of the way. Now, if it's too dry, folks, then you got to add a little bit more milk in. Okay. Now we're going to mix together and mix. You want your batter really smooth. You don't want any powder in it, any lumps and bumpsies in it. Oh, it smells good, folks. Powder on the bottom, you got to get that mixed in. Sometimes you even have to fold your batter. My grandma Elizabeth loved to fold. All right, I have greased muffin tins, folks. Okay. Now we're gonna start putting it into the muffin tins. Here we go. Now we have enough left. Guess what? We're gonna add some more. I don't like to waste food, folks. Food is not exactly cheap. And you can't find Hershey's anyplace, which is even sadder. What happened? I found this in the dollar's place. It came in a bag. I said, okay, whatever. We'll take it in a bag. It's better than nothing. I'm sure they'll put it back on the shelf soon, folks. I'm sure it's just a temporary thing. Here we go. Now, we have more, folks. I'm going to continue adding the muffin tins up, folks. I'm just letting you know. Yeah, this is in honor of a show that I did in 1976. I was so young then, folks. You have no idea how young I was. I was very, very young, and I didn't even know my first husband yet. I played an Egyptian lady, and I was also one of the animals of the farm. I was a tiger. I like to honor each day that comes up, you know. Okay. That was my oven. It's telling me it's time to put the muffins up. In 2 minutes, the muffins will be going up. Wow. We have a little extra batter, so we're going to use all the muffin tins. Here we go. When I was a little girl, folks, I'm telling you, this is true. I used to love to eat the batter. Oh, it was so yummy and delicious. Oh, things have changed so much in this age. Now, We have a messy Bessie, as my grandmother used to call it. Let's get some of the messy Bessie on. Okay. Get a little bit off. I don't want it. Here we go. Let's pop this in the oven and bake it to about 15-20 minutes. I'll be right back. 350. And here we have delicious chocolate muffins. Some of them are just too hot for me to grab. This is in honor of the magic Flute from Beverly Home Country Kitchen. Have a great day.